Up? We're back here in another video in Build-A-Boat for Treasure. Today I'm gonna go show you guys how to make this kind of circle. In a second I'll show you. It's better with the fan to build with, by the way. Just go ahead and let my phone join our team really quickly. It's really strange, my other character. Oh wow, that lag. Yeet. Oops. I'm sorry, guys. Okay, there we go. Let's hop in. Boom. Now it's not glitchy. Okay. My friend's gonna do this with me. Aha! Okay. So you have to go up. Oh, I'll actually show you guys what we're gonna make. Oops, no. Yep. Boom. Going to be making this, guys. Look at this. It's a beauty. I know you guys like, that's such clickbait. It's actually not. See? It's actually so smooth. It's so smooth. It'd be so smooth. It'd be so smooth. You can add the thrusters if you want. I just added them. You can make a huge one. You need a lot of blocks though, yeah. Okay, let's just go ahead and delete. Okay, so what you gotta do, build up 9 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. 7, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, okay, you will need a cow pack for this. It's in the shop for 900 gold. Boom. 1 block down. Then, guys, I'm actually so stupid. You gotta do an anchor block off. Okay, let me rate it really quick. One second, I'm going to check if my dog's outside my room. Yeah, come here. Sorry about earlier, okay? I love you. You're the best. Good. You want to watch me screen YouTube video? Woof, woof, wookie. Okay, guys, my dog's in my room. Okay, so go get the reel. I suggest using the kind of wall, whatever it's called, carpet. I don't know. Whoa, 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 whoa! Get you cool build away from me, please. I don't know why I use this, but you can use any type of blocks, by the way. Bada bing, bada boom. What? Bada bing, bada boom, and bing, and boom. Okay, now you need to get poles. Doesn't matter which kind of poles. Well, I don't know if it does, but yeah. I would prefer using these kind of poles that I'm going to get in a second. Nah! Sorry about if I block your request from my team. It's just because I'm making a YouTube video and I can't have people building on my plot when I'm making a YouTube video. Okay, you have to do that. And then you can do a pattern of the blocks. But yeah, you can do a pattern. That's totally fine. I'm going to do concrete block and this block right here, obsidian block. Okay, so I'm gonna get my concrete block, cause concrete will go first. Well, you don't need to make use, but I think it would be better. 1, 2, 3. This is OP because you don't even need... Okay, anchor block are off for this whole thing. But this is OP because you don't even need a controllable jet show for this one. And it's really flipping straight. You get the seat. The car seat. No, come on. Stop sending me requests. See that? Boo! Woohoo! Dang it, please stop ringing. You little poo-poo. You little poo-poo. Poo-poo, poo-poo alarm. Okay, now it's like, ooh, ooh, bye. Okay, now I be like, oh, so nice. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. Well, I know what I'm doing on here, but like I don't know what I'm doing in my voice. One, two, three, 4 glue blocks. Dang it, my friend left the game. Okay, now he's back in. Boom. Yes, please. Then he come over here. He be coming over here. Yeah, he be coming over here. Controlling the seat. All done. And then I be over here like, oh, then I, yeah. I'll leave it there. I get the block. I do that. Boom. So it's halfway in the block. Yeah. Boom. And dang it. Boom. So then you delete the pretty blocks underneath it. Then you go like, oh, that's sweet. And then look, it's one layer done. Boom. Okay, now I'm going to fast forward this for the rest. Fast forward. 3, 2, 1. Fast forward. If I don't actually fast forward, I'm just telling you this. I don't know how to. Sorry, guys. How about actually fast forward? There. Boom. Shoot. I'm going to be getting the jet seat later because I'm going to be buying Robux. Boom. Please. you spin it, friend. Yes, sir. Boom. Now look at it. It's beautiful. Told you this wasn't clickbait. See that turn? Boom.